Have you ever wondered, why do rich people get richer and poor people keep struggling? What secret do they know that others don't? Is there a magic trick the rich are using? Or is it something you can do too? Well, guess what? There's one simple investment trick that rich people use again and again. It's legal, smart, and powerful. And in this video, I'll show you exactly what it is, how it works, and how you can use it. Even if you have no money, no degree, no fancy job. This secret changed my life, and it could change yours too. Let's dive in and unlock the door to real wealth. The problem most people face. Let's be honest. Most people work day and night, yet they're always broke or just getting by. Why? Because most people only earn money, they never grow money. They work for years, but never invest. They save small amounts, but inflation eats it up. Here's the truth, you can never get rich by saving alone. You need to do what rich people do, make money work for you. Let me explain in simple words. What is investment? Investment means putting your money somewhere, so it grows and brings more money back. It's like planting a seed. You plant today, or water it, and later, you get fruit again and again. Examples. You buy land. It increases in value. You sell or rent it later. You buy shares in a company. When they make money, you make money too. You start a small business. It grows, and money keeps coming. But here's the thing. Not all investments are equal. Rich people use a special trick to invest smartly. The one investment trick, leverage. Let me reveal the big secret. Rich people use something called leverage. Write it down, leverage. What does it mean? Leverage means using other people's money, time, or resources to grow your own wealth. Let's break it down. Example 1. Using other people's money, OPM. A rich person buys a house using a bank loan. He rents it out. The rent pays the loan. After some years, the house is fully his, and it grew in value. He didn't use much of his own money. That's leverage. Example 2. Using other people's time. A rich person starts a business. He hires workers. They work, and he earns from their efforts. He uses their time to grow money, leverage again. Example 3. Using systems. A rich person invests in a machine or system that works without him. The system keeps earning while he's sleeping, leverage. This is how they grow fast, while others stay slow. And guess what? You can use leverage too, even if you're not rich yet. How you can use this trick? Let's make it real for you. 1. Start small, borrow smartly. Take a small loan to start a simple business, e.g., phone accessories, food sales, delivery service. Let the business pay back the loan, not your salary. 2. Use people's time. Can't do everything yourself? Partner with someone. Example, you bring small money, your friend runs the business. You both grow. 3. Use tools and technology. Sell things online. Use free tools like Facebook, WhatsApp, TikTok. These tools help you reach many people, leverage technology. 4. Invest in knowledge. Learn a skill once, use it to make money many times. That's leveraging your own mind, the best tool you have. Remember, leverage is not about being rich, it's about being smart. Real-life success stories. Let me tell you some real stories. Story 1. Mary the tailor. Mary had $50. She borrowed $150 more. Bought a sewing machine. She made clothes, sold them, and paid back the loan in 2 months. Now she has 2 machines, 2 workers, and earns daily. She used leverage. Story 2. Tunde the bike owner. Tunde saved $100. He added a small loan, bought a bike. Rented it out daily. The rent paid the loan. Now he owns 3 bikes. Daily money flows in. He used leverage. Story 3, Linda the YouTuber. Linda had a phone and free time. She learned video editing for free. Now her videos make money from ads. Even when she's sleeping. She leveraged the internet. Mistakes to avoid. Wait. Before you jump in, avoid these common mistakes. Borrowing too much, only borrow what you can manage. Bad spending, don't borrow for parties or flashy things. Invest in income. No plan, have a simple plan. Know how money will grow. Fear, don't be afraid to start small. Even $10 can grow. Remember, leverage is power, but use it wisely. Step-by-step guide to start today. Here's your action plan. Write down your skill or idea. Ask, how can I use other people's money, time, or tools? Make a small plan, how much do you need? Where will you get it? Start small. Don't wait for perfect. Learn every day. Improve. Grow. Repeat. In 6 months, your life can look very different. Finally. So now you know the one investment trick rich people use, leverage. It's not just for the rich, it's for you. Start small. Start smart. And one day, you'll be the one people call rich. Let today be the day you begin. Share this video with someone who needs it. Comment below, what will you leverage today? And don't forget to subscribe for more simple money wisdom every week. Your future starts now.